First Five app. First Five app I came across um, during lockdown, I think, or it was just prior to lockdown, somewhere there, where I realized that where I actually wanted to start studying books in the Bible. At that point, I found it very daunting to read through the Bible, and I didn't know about the Bible recap as per my previous video. And I just wanted to not just read a portion and not know why they said that, how they said that. And what I loved about this one was um, the First Five app is brought to you by Proverbs 31 Ministries. And as you would note, one of the founders of Proverbs 31 Ministries is Lisa Turkis, who is one of my favorite authors. Um, this book that I'm currently reading and reviewing, which is about trust issues. So yeah, what's cool about this is that you can select any book in the Bible. They also don't just have one, but they've got so much of these, and some of them they actually do live. So there will be like you when you log in and you have a profile, they will actually inform you, like at this moment it will say current plan, they are doing 1 and 2 Timothy. I have noted that they've maybe done a book twice already. So these people these people are people whose job is literally to take the Bible, to write devotionals and studies, and they do deep dives on these people do research and stuff. So you don't just get to read the scripture, read a devotion, but you actually get to find out certain stuff. Very similar. The Bible recap also does that. Very similar, as in they go look up maybe why in that time, the women had to cover the head, and it's not just like you must be in a church where you wear a hat, but what the actual true intent. So they take you to the culture and the tradition, which is quite cool. There's a lot of study I've done, as you can see, all the circles means I've done those. There's a lot of plans here, which is your guys, it reaches deep because these are ladies that all got together, and they actually, a lot of them have become authors of books, which I read, which is very good for soul care. Um, what I loved about this one was, let me show you this one, for example. So this is on the book of James. So you will click here to start this, and then they will take you literally, normally it will run through to about 40 plus days, depending on the size of the book. They will have a Monday to Friday. Let me show you. They will have day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then on day 6 and 7, which is weekend, they will have a weekend teaching. You day 5 will be like on a Friday, so there they have a beautiful picture that you can share with a quote, and then you will read your portion. Very important, you will read your start here scriptures for the day, right? Do not be deceived. And then after that, take you back there, and you will then read the devotion, and they will call it a major moment. The person who writes the devotion will share what she's taken out of this portion, and then it shows that you've um, read the teaching, and also you tick that you have read the scriptures, and then it will actually show here on the day that you have completed it. Then the weekend, which I mentioned of now, is when you go into the weekend, it will actually also give you a beautiful picture that you can post, just a statement to ponder on. You will be able to listen to the week's teachings. You will learn about the author, um, and you will be able to actually, for somebody that would like to read the audio transcript as they are doing it, you'll actually be able to read off as they are doing the audio. I want to just show you something quickly which I missed on day 5, is when you have finished your teaching, there's actually a portion called More Moments, which is the coolest part for me, because on here they normally will share stuff with you that they either couldn't share during the devotion, and it's in these more moments page where they normally will share cultural, traditional stuff of that era where the people were living and stuff, which gets very interesting. Any comment if you need any help to download it. This also can be downloaded from Apple Store if you have an Apple phone. Um, I don't, so I am Android, so I use Google Play Store, also a free app. And in this, you can actually buy books. So the browser, I think I'm not going to show you. This would suffice, but there's actually, you'll see anyway they share like here in front where they do like news and updates. If you click on anything, they will take you to the actual internet browser, and you'll note here, as they mention here, create an account to never miss out on new studies and resources. So there's a lot of free PDFs that you get, maybe on a 10 pointer on how to hear God's voice, or a 10 pointer on how to deal with anger, or whatever, which I will email you. So yeah, I hope that helps. God bless you.